Hello everyone and welcome to episode 79 of The Castle. I think this is 79, I might cram it into 78, depending on whether or not there's a 79 that's labelled on its own, as whether or not you'll see this message. But today we have some proper armaments and we headed out to just do some regular castle work with a wheelbarrow, so it should be fun. Oh, need to get a better shield.
I'm polishing all my armor, I'm sharpening all my swords, I'm shining up my buckler, and I'm etching in these words. Draw my hand and I darken the skies, turn the seas and burn your lives. Flick my wrist and I summon the sun, I send my clones in your
Cameraman Chris has arrived to get some cameraman Chris shots.
soldiers. I'll run, distract you all with a fake cold case. You turned you back, now I'm in your base. Gossip in your group chats, now say it to my face. Pray for help and pray for mercy, a luxury you never afforded me. As death she curtsies, mind control and fake and lost memories. Got them all back from an astral diary, now the future is looking fiery. Kill me once and you kill me twice. You'll break my heart and run like mice. Cowards in uniforms with titles and flashcards. I'll see you in your dreams where I will give you scars. Think you're watching me from afar, I'm watching you through the screen right back. A calm silence before we attack. Now awesome sniper has got my back. I'm out in the shore stacking rocks. Stanley's clone is luring you into a kill box. I watch from worlds away, sorry that I can't stay. For what they did, they will all pay. Split reality at the seams and break the veils. Grinding in the dark to succeed after 1,000 fails. You all went to the wrong tree to bark, whilst I stepped away and built an ark. Now I'll be building galaxies in my dreams. I'll watch from the clouds as you fight with fiends. Back again from a time long past, the sea of the stars, my net I cast. Now we accelerate faster than fast. We built a legacy, 40,000 years it lasts. Sunken beneath the waves and desert.
Alright everyone, I have cleared a road. We now have a clear path where there used to be a giant wall, and I've moved all the stone from this new road into the castle walls.
Planets blown apart now, asteroid filling. Kill me once and you kill me twice. You'll break my heart and run like mice. Cowards in uniforms with titles and flashcards. I'll see you in your dreams where I will give you scars. Think you're watching me from afar, I'm watching you through the screen right back. A calm silence